We deliver fully equipped, ready-to-install laboratory modules built for the world's most demanding offshore and industrial environments. Each solution is designed in compliance with IMO and SOLAS regulations, offshore standards, and project specifications, ensuring absolute safety and reliability from day one. Our offshore laboratories are engineered for hazardous zones. They are fire and blast resistant and include every essential safety feature: emergency doors and shutters, fume hoods, safety cabinets, gas detection, safety signage, and certified X equipment to ensure safe, continuous operation. Accurate and timely laboratory testing is vital for offshore production and storage facilities. While some analyses can be completed onshore, many must take place directly on the platform to deliver critical results in real time. Every SGS laboratory is built for safety, durability, and easy maintenance, performing dependably even under the harshest offshore conditions. Each lab is modular and supplied on a turnkey basis. We work closely with EPC contractors to ensure every unit integrates seamlessly with site layouts and FPSO specifications. All modules are built to DNV 2.7-1 standards and prepared for safe lifting and transport. Advanced ventilation systems create a safe, ergonomic, and comfortable working environment. Quality is verified at every stage, from design and fabrication to final acceptance testing, including welding, painting, coating, and cabling. Trust SGS, the global leader in testing, inspection, and certification, to deliver your laboratory with precision, safety, and confidence.